Meet the project engineers of a company in the aerospace and defense industry. Their company is responsible for shipping mission-critical equipment, so making sure it's protected in transit is of utmost importance. They've had enough of heavy, unorganized shipping containers that barely protect their sensitive equipment during transit. Due to their inexperience, the package was not prepared for the environment it was exposed to, and therefore significant damage occurred, jeopardizing their awarded contract. That's when they are referred to UFP Technologies, the expert in designing and manufacturing protective case systems for the aerospace and defense industry. They collaborate with UFP Technologies to create a custom protective case solution for their equipment. UFP Technologies provides a protective case system that is organized, which optimizes space and reduces size, making it easier for one person to carry. The case also provides cushion protection from multiple drops and vibration. Additionally, meeting MIL Standard 810, it withstands the harshest environmental conditions. Despite rough transportation, their package and contents arrive in perfect condition, and the project engineers successfully secure the contract. Ready to experience the difference in protecting your critical equipment? Visit ufpt.com or contact us today. UFP Technologies, shaping innovation since 1963.